Identify the key areas of your mind you want to train. Set goals, define specific and realistic objectives for each area of training. Focus, concentrate your attention, and eliminate distractions during training sessions. Start small, begin with simple exercises or techniques to build a foundation. Consistency, regularly allocate time for training to maintain progress. Patience, understand that mental training takes time and effort to yield results. Mindfulness, practice being fully present and aware of your thoughts and emotions. Meditation, develop a meditation routine to enhance focus and reduce stress. Visualization, use mental imagery to improve performance and boost motivation. Cognitive exercises, engage in activities that challenge memory, reasoning, and problem-solving skills. Learn new skills, acquire knowledge, or develop new abilities to expand mental capacity. Reading, read books, articles, or other materials to stimulate cognitive function and broaden perspectives. Mind mapping, utilize visual tools to organize and connect ideas, enhancing creativity and critical thinking. Brain games, play puzzles, crosswords, or online brain training games for mental stimulation. Journaling, write down thoughts, ideas, and reflections to enhance self-awareness and clarity. Positive affirmations, repeat affirming statements to cultivate a positive mindset and boost self-confidence. Emotional intelligence, develop self-awareness and empathy to navigate emotions effectively. Mind-body connection, engage in physical activities that promote mental well-being, such as yoga or Tai Chi. Stress management, practice stress-reducing techniques like deep breathing, mindfulness, or relaxation exercises. Sleep hygiene, prioritize quality sleep to support cognitive function and mental health. Healthy diet, nourish your brain with a balanced diet rich in nutrients, antioxidants, and omega-3 fatty acids. Social interaction, engage in meaningful conversations and maintain social connections to foster mental agility. Mindful technology, use limit screen time, practice digital detox, and use technology mindfully. Seek new experiences, explore unfamiliar environments, or engage in activities outside your comfort zone to stimulate your mind. Seek professional guidance, consult with a therapist, coach, or mentor for personalized guidance and support in your mental training journey.